Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are one of the rarest and most mysterious types of diamonds in the world. Unlike the sparkling clear diamonds we usually see, carbonado is opaque, dark, and full of tiny inclusions. Because of its unique structure, many people find it difficult to tell whether a black stone is a real carbonado or just an imitation, such as glass, spinel, or synthetic material. If you own a black stone and want to test it at home, here are some easy and safe methods you can try before seeking professional verification. 1. Observe the color and texture. A genuine black diamond carbonado usually has a dark black to deep gray appearance. Its surface is often pitted or porous, which makes it look different from polished fake stones. Many imitations will look perfectly smooth, while real carbonado may show tiny holes or an uneven texture. Number 2, light test. Hold the stone under strong light. Unlike transparent diamonds that sparkle with rainbow flashes, carbonado absorbs most of the light. It usually appears very dark, with only a subtle metallic or graphite-like sheen. If the stone shines with colorful reflections, it is most likely not a black diamond. Number 3, scratch test on glass diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. To test this property, gently try to scratch a piece of glass with the stone. A real carbonado diamond will easily scratch glass, while fake stones like quartz or spinel may not. However, avoid using too much force to prevent damaging the stone or the glass. Heat resistance test. One of the unique properties of diamonds is their resistance to heat. Heat the stone with a lighter for about 30 seconds and then drop it into cold water. A real carbonado diamond will not crack or shatter, but imitations such as glass or quartz often break under this test. Always handle with care when trying this method. Number 5. Check the weight and density. Carbonado diamonds are generally heavier than other stones of the same size. If you have a precise scale, compare the weight of your stone to another gem or imitation of similar size. A genuine black diamond should feel denser and heavier. Number 6. Magnification inspection. Using a jeweler's loupe, 10x magnification, examine the stone closely. Real black diamonds often reveal a grainy texture, tiny pits, or inclusions. Fake stones usually appear too smooth and flawless under magnification. Final thoughts. While these easy home tests can help you identify whether your stone might be a genuine black diamond carbonado, they are not 100% conclusive. The most reliable way to confirm authenticity is through professional gemological testing, such as Raman spectroscopy or X-ray analysis. Still, with these simple methods, you can quickly rule out obvious fakes and get a better idea of what you are holding.